After a day filled with emotional testimony, it took a dramatic turn. Defense attorneys say that a key witness changed her testimony and that prosecutors may have known about it and did not disclose that, raising questions about a possible Brady violation. Brady requires that prosecutors turn over evidence that could help the defense. If the judge agrees, this could possibly lead to a mistrial. On the first day of testimony, jurors were walked step by step through the moments when gunfire broke out outside Robb Elementary. Jurors heard that emotional 911 call from a pastor who told the court he watched the gunman crash near the funeral home, then began shooting outside the school as he walked towards the campus. But it was the final witness of the day who shifted the direction of the trial and set off a tense exchange in court. A teacher testified she saw the man dressed in black carrying a long rifle on the south end of the school, a detail prosecutors acknowledged she had never previously reported publicly.
You understand how we would be surprised that she testified that she saw him.
Defense attorneys say the testimony places Gonzalez in the same area as the shooter, directly conflicting with where they say he was during the attack.
So that would be an important thing for us to know before we started this trial.
Defense attorneys pressed prosecutors, arguing the witnesses may have shared that information months ago and questioned why it was not turned over before trial.
Had you ever heard her say that she had seen him either going into the south side of the building or approaching the south door?
No.
Prosecutors responded that the statement was never formally documented and did not stand out at the time.
When we were prepping these witnesses, I was running a law office, and so I was in and out of interviews. So I can't say that she said that and I like, oh my God. You know, it wasn't that type of reaction for me. So that's the best I can say.
Defense attorney Nico LaHood said the defense believes prosecutors were aware of the statement as early as December and that failing to disclose it is serious.
Then the problem that's more troubling is the fact that she told them in December, and they've acknowledged that. And they didn't turn that over.
This trial is something the victims' families have been waiting for a long time. The latest developments have left the families concerned and worried that justice might be delayed. There will be a hearing tomorrow outside the presence of the jury where attorneys are going to hash out all these allegations about a possible Brady violation, and a judge is going to have to determine what happens next. In Corpus Christi, I'm Rebecca Lopez. Back to you.
And join us for live coverage on this evidence dispute on our streaming app, WFA+. Legal experts will join senior investigative reporter Tanya Iser to break down what happens in tomorrow's hearing. Our coverage begins at 1 p.m.